so since we unveiled the ZR5 last year at the Husker Harvest Days, the big change that we've really made since that a year ago is we've actually upped the horsepower of this from 173 horsepower, which it had a year ago, up to 200 horsepower today, which is what we're going to be launching with. Yeah, so we have a limited number of units that we're producing for this fall. Because it's happening this fall, we're going to be marketing those units into Iowa, Nebraska for corn stalk season here. And so we brought in a limited number of dealers as well that we've done training with, both service training as well as sales training on the ZR5 for this fall. And as we move into more full production next year, we'll be adding dealers to that as we go forward.